Today is day 27 in our packet, so here is our math lesson. Materials needed. You're going to need a quiet place to work, your packet with day 27, there's 2 pages, and you're going to need a pencil. So our objectives or our goals for today's lesson is that by the end of today, you'll be able to say, I can look at a picture and say the number of 10 groups and ones, and I can write and interpret 2-digit numbers as addition sentences that combine 10s and ones. So what that means is we can look at 20 and 5, and we can put it into an addition sentence like this, 20 plus 5 equals, and then we will be able to find the answer. Our vocabulary is still the same for this unit, for this lesson as the other lessons in this unit. So let's see. I'm going to say the word and then I want you to repeat. Tens, decenas, ones, unidades, place value, valor posicional. Alright, here's our warm-up. I'm going to say the equation, then you're going to say the equation and the answer. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Downward dog. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, shake it out. Okay, now we have to fill in the missing part. So 2 plus blank equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 9 plus question mark equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 6 plus question mark equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 5 plus blank equals 10. 5 plus 5. Tree pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so your first part of your math work today is this missing numbers 120 chart. So what you have to do is you have to fill in the numbers that are missing. So go ahead and press pause and you can fill in all of your numbers. When you're done with that, Warrior 1. Take a nice deep breath in and blow it out. Good. Okay, so today with place value, like I said with the objectives, is we're going to be adding a 2-digit number with another number. So, let's look at the first example here. So again, you're not writing anything. This is a watching and listening and answering. How many 10 sticks do I have here? Three. Good. So I have 3 groups of 10. Oops. So that means we have 30. So here's our 30. Actually, I'm going to do it in yellow to match our number bond. So I'm going to write 30 in our yellow part. Now I'm going to look at the ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like this. So I'm going to write 5 in our blue part. So now we have to put 30 and 5 together to find out how much they equal when we add them. So we can count on, or we can look at it another way. So I'm going to count on first. So we'll do 10, 20, 30. Now count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we can also look at it where we need to add our ones together. So I'm seeing that there's a 0 here and a 5 here. Just like with our place value chart, we would have the 10s and the 1s. So our 1s would be 5, and then there are 3 10s. Okay. So now we need to finish filling in our sentences here on the bottom. So this first one says 30 and 5 make. So when we put 30 and 5 together, so a clue for this is that and means addition and make means equal. That's a different way you can say plus and equals, and make. So this is saying 30 and, or 30 plus 5 makes or equals, and we said it equals 35. And then they have the addition sentence here as well. 30 plus 5 equals 35. So these are just two different ways to say the addition sentence, the equation. Okay, next example with the flowers. I want you to count how many flowers are there. Okay, so I'm going to circle and make 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's 1 10. Let's see if there's enough to make another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's another 10. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not enough. Okay. So we're going to put just 3 down here. Now what do? I have to fill in my number bond. So let's see. How many groups of 10 do we have? We have 10, 20. So we have 2 groups of 10. So we have 20. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So now let's count on to solve our number bond. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Good. So let's now look at our sentences down on the bottom. They have 2 sentences this time. So the first sentence says, 20 and 3 make. So what does that mean? 20 and. What is the and also? What's and? Plus, good. And what does make mean? Equals. So 20 and 3 make 23. Now this is another way to say this problem, to say this addition problem. You can also say 3 more than 20 is blank. So that would mean we would look at 20. I'm going to write it up at the top. And then it wants us to do 1, 2, 3 more. So 21, 22, 23. We're adding 3 more. So 23 is 3 more than 20. Alrighty, so here's your next worksheet. I'm going to do number 1 and number 3 with you, and then you're going to do the rest by yourself, okay? So let's start with reading the directions, and then we'll do number 1. Okay, directions. Fill in the number bond. We know how to fill in number bonds. And complete the sentences. So we have to complete the sentence and the number sentence, which is what we just worked on. Okay, so the first one. I'm looking at it and I see some grapes here, a group, and another group. What are those groups of? 10. Very good. So I'm going to actually write 10 above them. And then how many grapes are there by themselves? 1, 2, 3. So 3. All right. So our number bond is actually filled in for us on the first one. So it says 20, because there's 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, 20. And 3, we have 3 ones by itself. Now we have to figure out how many that is all together. So let's see. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. Good. For our sentences here, the first one. 20 and 3 make our total. So what is 20 plus 3 equal? 23. Just like we did in our number bond. Let's look at the next sentence. Oh, this one is the equation this time. So 20 plus 3 equals 23. Very good. All right, now, number 3. Okay, I'm looking at it. It looks like maybe some marbles. So I have a group here of 10, and I have a group here of 10. Let me move this 10 over, 10, like that. There we go. Now I'm going to count how many ones there are by themselves. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So I want you to fill in your yellow and blue part of your number bond. How many? We're going to add the 10s together. How many 10s? 10, 20. And then how many ones are there? Good. Okay. Now we're going to add those two things together. So we're going to count. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Let's look at the equation now. 20 plus 7 equals 27. 7 more than 20 is, let's see, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 7 more than 20 is 27. Just like our equation we filled out right here is saying. Good. So now you're going to pause your video and do 2, 4, 5, and 6. When you are finished, take a picture and send your picture to Miss Nicole in your portfolio. Don't forget to send me your picture, okay? All right. Great job, guys.